Risks and responsibilities associated with AI. Look carefully at the images and video clips provided here. They are AI created, so realistic that it is hard to tell if they were created by AI. While such technologies may seem surprising, they can also spread misinformation and lead to misuse of our identities. Let's understand the risks associated with AI. Ask any image-generating AI tool to create a picture of a doctor and a nurse. Now take a closer look at this photo. Sometimes you'll find that the doctor is a man and the nurse is a woman. When we haven't told the AI that the doctor is a man and the nurse is a woman, why did the AI assume that? AI is given training data, which means thousands of examples. If the doctors in those images are mostly male, then AI assumes that doctors are only men. This is called AI bias. It occurs when the AI's training data is biased. Sometimes AI presents you with false information in such a way that it appears true. For example, website links or articles. This is called AI hallucination. In such a situation, it is important that we cross-check the information before using it, so that wrong information does not become the basis for making decisions. Let us now understand the privacy and environmental risks associated with AI with the help of the recent Ghibli trend. So, how many people submitted their own and their loved ones' photos to AI to get a Ghibli-style image? We have no idea how AI companies will use this data. Some AI companies have already been in the news of data misuse and theft. And it's not just about data, it's also about the environment. When we give AI a prompt, it's processed on servers in a data center somewhere far away, consuming huge amounts of electricity and water. The more complex the prompt, the more energy it consumes. Many news articles have discussed the environmental impact of AI. So the next time you participate in a trend, be sure to consider its impact on your and the environment. So should we use AI or not? Absolutely. AI is a great technology. It's just important to keep a few things in mind when using it. Never share personal information such as your name, phone number, email address, or address with AI tools. Never share any bank information such as OTPs, passwords, card numbers, or CVVs. Never upload confidential company information or documents to AI tools. Only share lab reports, health IDs, or doctor's prescriptions only with medical professionals. Do not say anything that you would not say on social media or in public to AI either, like speaking ill of someone in anger or revealing very personal information. Use incognito mode or temporary chat. This prevents your conversation from becoming part of AI's training. Remember to log out after use. We saw that AI has drawbacks like bias and hallucinations, so the information provided by it needs to be checked. Furthermore, its use also poses privacy and environmental challenges that must be carefully guarded against. AI is here to help you. Do take help from it, but with caution and care.